Taking a solar or BESS project from site selection to a ready-to-build package involves a lot of moving pieces: layout optimization, interconnection planning, collection system design, equipment specifications, construction documentation. In this demo, you'll see how RatedPower and AUD work together to cover that full journey. RatedPower handles site selection, layout optimization, and preliminary engineering. AUD takes that output all the way to a complete IFC package, detailed collection system design, automated bill of materials, construction documentation, and drawing and construction standards built in. That handoff from preliminary design to build-ready package dramatically reduces design time, design QA, and design or materials errors that lead to costly construction rework. Let's walk through how it works. Here's an export from RatedPower showing the layout of a small solar field. Now we'll switch to the equivalent in AUD. They may not look very different at first, but that's where it gets interesting. Here I'll turn off the background map so we can take a closer look. The design in AUD is part of a connected model. I can trace the strings fed by this inverter, and the converted data is represented as actual equipment types, with configurable attributes and full connectivity. That connectivity is what enables automation and standards verification. It saves time and adds accuracy from design all the way through construction. RatedPower has great tools for calculating cable specification, but there's a difference between a calculated spec and a material request. With AUD, we can convert those specs into actual material requests with just a few clicks. These cables are now calling out a specific material, configurable to your standards, so that downstream processes and construction can directly leverage them. Every time we make a change in AUD, it revalidates against your standards automatically. That includes engineering analysis and construction standards, like minimum trench depth or maximum conductors per trench, and drawing standards like line colors and symbology. If something falls out of spec, you know immediately before anyone gets to the field. Here's a situation that's tricky to communicate on traditional prints: multiple cables in a narrow trench. Any object in AUD can produce a 3D detailed representation. Here in the 3D view, you can see the trench, conductor, and even the conduit that is placed under a road on the site, all created from a 2D drawing and built-in intelligence of AUD. I don't need to be a 3D visualization expert to communicate this level of detail to construction crews before they're in the field. Here's another example. Let's say your BESS layout requires many cables in a narrow space, and you want to be able to control how those cables are laid out in a trench. If you want to provide this level of detail to your construction crew, you can include a 3D cross-section in your construction drawings just by building into the sheet set. No redrawing or maintaining separate document sets. Every object in AUD can be represented in 3D automatically. Here I'll insert a construction callout for this specific trench. Communicating this level of detail to construction crews ensures everything is built correctly and in compliance with standards the first time. AUD works inside AutoCAD or Civil 3D, so you have access to native functionality like automated sheet set generation and AUD's automated BOM creation. You can generate a complete IFC package ready for procurement, construction, commissioning, and handoff operations. This is how RatedPower and AUD get you from site selection to a build-ready package. What could RatedPower and AUD do for your workflow?